Today we're in a 2014 Lexus IS 250. Now Lexus make really nice cars, but this car, the one limitation that it has being such an old car is the lack of modern technology like CarPlay and Android Auto. Lexus and Toyota were quite late to the party when it came to CarPlay and Android Auto. So today we're going to upgrade this factory screen, and it's going to be a new, bigger, higher resolution screen that has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and retains all of the factory features that are needed, like the steering wheel controls. We're going to utilize the factory microphone and the factory Bluetooth input for the audio so that everything sounds awesome. So stay tuned and we'll show you what the new system looks like and how it works. Okay, so we finished installing this system, completely plug and play, and now we've gone from that really small screen to a big, nice, high resolution widescreen. It's off at the moment because we really wanted to show you one of the key benefits to this system, and that is that it's Linux based and its boot time is really quick. So I'm just going to start the car now and show you exactly how quick it boots up. So we've got a really nice splash screen, and there you are, the system's booted, and in just a couple more seconds it'll automatically connect over to my CarPlay. And there you are, all booted and ready to go. So full, nice, widescreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and obviously wireless Android Auto as well. But now we just want to show you how the system operates a little bit and some of the key features that it retains. So we're going to start with our climate control. So when I adjust the temperature, you can see it comes up with a really nice little widget there, gives you the temperature and responds to all of the main climate buttons with fan speed and all that kind of thing as well. So all of that is nicely retained, nicely available visually to be able to see what adjustments are being made. We can also continue to control our audio. Now this is another important aspect to this system, is that you're not using the vehicle's auxiliary input for any audio or music from your Apple Music or your Spotify. We're using the factory Bluetooth system for that audio. So that ultimately means the audio quality is fantastic. You're not having any sacrifices when it comes to audio quality. So your volume dial, your steering wheel controls all continue to work, and you get all the song title and artist information displayed inside the instrument cluster as well. Obviously too, we need to be able to retain the factory reverse camera, and there you have reverse camera shown with the split screen of the climate control. So another important thing that we have to retain is this Jog Mouse, because the screen is so deep in the dash, even though it is touch controllable from the touchscreen of the system, we still need to be able to easily retain this Jog Mouse. So that is completely functional in the new wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And so you can see that moving around on the screen and everything is operating as it should. If we go out to the main menus of CarPlay, where we've got all our icons, we can press down and swipe with the jog wheel. If you do feel the need to do it with the touchscreen, you can also do that as well. On the Jog Mouse, we've got our menu button, and that helps us to easily long press and switch back to the factory menu. So if you want to continue to make settings adjustments in here or go to the factory nav, you can do that, and the jog wheel continues to function as normal. To return to CarPlay or Android Auto, we long press the menu button again, and it'll take us back to the new system where we can go to our CarPlay. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that brief demonstration of how this amazing system works. Lexus vehicles are amazing cars. They just need that technology upgrade, which our Lexion wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system will provide. You can also add a front camera. It's completely compatible with the 360 cameras on these vehicles and Mark Levinson audio. So if you've got any questions about upgrading the tech on your Lexus with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, give our team a call.